Want to set up a smooth workflow in Dola AI? Yeah. From organizing chats to automating content, a proper workflow can save you tons of time. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to set up your Dola AI workflow for maximum efficiency. Step 1. Organize your workspace. Pin important chats, rename conversations clearly, and use folders or categories if available. A tidy workspace keeps everything accessible and reduces distractions. Step 2. Pick the AI bots that fit your needs. Dola AI has bots for writing, summarizing, research, and task automation. Using the right bots streamlines your workflow. Step 3. Save frequently used prompts and create templates. Templates are perfect for recurring tasks like blogs, newsletters, or social media posts. This saves time and keeps your content consistent. Step 4. Automate your workflow. Use templates to generate multiple pieces at once or schedule recurring tasks. Automation ensures consistency and speeds up content production. Step 5. Adjust AI settings for tone, style, and content length. Custom settings make your outputs more accurate and tailored to your needs. Finally, review AI outputs and make quick edits. Even with automation, a small refinement ensures high-quality professional content. And that's it. Organize your workspace, choose the right bots, create templates, automate tasks, customize settings, and review outputs. Follow this Dola AI workflow setup, and you'll save time while producing better content.